Enter your website URL in the Site Explorer and hit the search button. Look for organic competitors on the left pane. Once the page opens, scroll down to find top competing domains. These are your top competing domains, as per Ahrefs. These are not absolute results. These are domains that create content similar to yours, so they are worth noting. Export it as a CSV file for later, so you can check the domains individually on Google Sheets or Excel. Now we can find competitors based on our focus keywords. Go to Keyword Explorer. Enter your focus keywords. Separate them by commas if you want to put more. Select by domain under traffic share. You will find your competitors listed over here based on the traffic you share with them. Export this into a CSV file and analyze these domains by going through their websites if they are relevant competitors.